This day is definitely the biggest day I've ever had for a while. Like, no jokes. So today, ang dami kong nakain. Okay, I will be listing down everything that I just ate this entire day after just mouth harassing a lot of breads today specifically. Meron pa nga akong proof sa bag ko eh. Bag. Diba? How unhealthy. Yes. Watch me regret all of this tomorrow, by the way. So, kanina din, ang dami ko rin nagastos. Dahil nakalimutan kong bumili ng panyo, napabili ako ng tissue. Yung lalagyan ko pa ng lunch, andito pa. Send help. Okay, nandito pa yung lalagyan ko nung... I wanna keep this one because, bro, bukas talaga tatanungin ko yung nagtitinda kung saan ko pa sila pwede mahanap. Kasi I need to come back for their Oreo bread. Like, kanina kinain ko yun ulit. Bumili ako kahapon. Super, ayun. Pero, nakaka-guilty yung tamis niya. Like, ang sarap niya, pero nakaka-guilty na type kasi sobrang tamis. It reminds me of the the cookies and cream stick. Ayan yung stick na kinakain, Pero I don't think hindi yun galing doon totally kasi may mga crust pa ng Oreo na biscuit mismo. So, I will be listing down everything I ate. How hypocrite of me to do this to-do list that I failed almost all of it. I think yung only ones na na-accomplish ko is yung breakfast na egg, tapos yung 6 a.m. na bath. Tapos ang lakas-lakas pa ng loob ko na sabihin na 55 pesos lang yung magagastos ko throughout the whole day. Tapos yung mga notes ko, no excessive snacking. Tama. No waiting no more. I kinda did. Kanina, lumabas kami, nintay ko sila. Commute by myself. Na-accomplish ko yon. Journal vlog through the day. Not that much, but I did my part still. And kahapon, kumain ako ng 8 slices of bread. Tapos ngayon, natatawa na lang ako, pero feel ko, pagsisisiyan ko to in the next few days. Pero no. Again, iiwasan ko na yung nagsisisi ako na mindset. Instead, gusto ko na to be accountable for everything na kinocommit ko. Pero no jokes. Okay, let's go. First of all is, lalagay muna natin siya. I named this my biggest big back day. My biggest big back day. Take note yung date, July 8, 2026. For breakfast, medyo performative pa ako kasi simula pa lang ng araw. For breakfast, I had egg plus coffee. Tapos, nagbaon ng 2 slice of white bread with liver spread, which I ate during lunch na kasi hindi nga ako nakatake ng time kasi bala ko talaga kainin yung sa bus. Tapos lunch. Ayun, kinain ko sa lunch. Tapos, kumain ako nung lunch ko. So, rice with kinama tisan na chicken. Tapos, snacks. Worst. Worst part. Tommy. Roller coaster. Moby, fuck. Ang dami na kaagad. Kaya ano kaagad yung calories? For Tommy, 171 kcal. For Moby, 146 kcal. Puta. Whole meal ko na to eh. Roller coaster. 160 shit. By the way, oh gosh. I'm so fucking screwed, I swear. Tapos, ayun. Kinain ko yon. Tapos, pag-uwi, tama ba? Pag-uwi, I took 2 plain white bread. Tapos, ano pa ba? Ayun, kumuha ko 2 slice of white bread. Tapos, 2 putok bread plus 1 bigay from mama. 3 putoks, 3 bread, 1 banana, ripe and small. Tapos, happy ako. Naalala ko lang bigla, happy ako kasi nagpabili ako kay mama ng ripe na banana, yung tig sa 10 lang. So, may pang snacks ako. At least healthy na si snack ko tomorrow talaga. Medyo na-offend rin ako. Nagkaroon ako ng reality check kasi sinabihan ako ni mama na ang takaw. Totoo naman yun. Medyo naging proud din naman ako kanina dahil doon. Pero it's not something to be bragging about, you know? So, starting tomorrow talaga, I will eat clean. I will be consistent talaga. Like, this is just pure shameful. Okay. Tapos, yung bread from school. Yung Oreo bread. Tapos, half of the hot dog bread. Ayun. Ayun yung mga kinain ko, I think. Okay. So, that's all pretty much I ate today, but that's so fucking much. Like, yung 3 lang yung specifically ko nalalagyan ng calories. Like, imagine kung talagang accurate yung measurement ng calories. Bro, this is insane. I'm gonna show you. It's not very, very visible. Hindi siya ma-focus. I know that I live in the reality. So probably in the next few days, I'm gonna be bloated, feeling heavy as fuck. But this is the consequence we have to pay. And for now, I don't wanna push myself into complete depression to the point na sabihin ko, sana di ko na lang ginawa kasi girl, ginawa mo na. Okay, there's no point in taking everything from the past because it already happened. I know na deep down, I have a sense of regret right now, but at the same time, I really enjoy the food. Like, mas concerned ako, like, dahil sa puro mga unhealthy yung kinain ko, specifically mga matatamis and too much carbohydrates sa bread, mostly bread. And yung nga, yung mga chips na to. So, it's gonna be difficult. But, starting now, I have to do something about it. Like, yung simple walking, I will be doing it right now. At least, para ma-help na, you know, gumaan yung pakiramdam and kung ano man yung nangyayari sa loob ng katawan ko right now after processing all that bunch of foods. So, starting tomorrow talaga because I definitely did something not so good today. Like, jokings aside, yung mga patawa-tawa ko kanina, I have to repay for everything that just happened today. So, starting tomorrow, I will be eating clean from the morning to the end. So, gusto ko pa rin na ipasok sa plan ko tomorrow yung pagko-commute ulit mag-isa because I truly just enjoy it. Lalo na yung pauwi kanina. It's very cozy, you know. It's so something. And, ayun, dahil maaga naman kami pinapauwi, so sana hindi kagad mag-rush sa akin yung gutom. For some reason, like, lagi ko sinasabi is pag uuwi ako is lagi akong kinakain kagad ng gutom. Pero, in case, and sana maalala ko na every time na may urge na naman ako na kumain ng pangmalalaan, maybe possible nga na maging worse pa sa ginawa ko ngayon, pero I cannot possibly go even further from that because nangangati na ako ngayon sa guilt. Wait, may nag-chat sa akin! Nag-chat sa akin yung kausap ko kanina. Hello? Pero mamaya na yan. Wag na muna nating alalanin yan dahil medyo nakikreep out ako sa kanya because like, bakit niya ako i-approach? What's happening? I don't wanna worry about that now. Pero, ayun nga, I have to repay for everything that just happened today. So, sana maging reminder to na wag na maulit. I know I have the privilege to enjoy the food. I know I don't have to worry about those calories all the time just like I used to do. Dati talaga, I used to be super conscious. Nung nalaman ko na 60 kilograms ako, super naging conscious ako. But at the same time, yung consciousness na yon, medyo na-miss ko siya. You know, kasi during those time, nai-stress ako kasi inaalala ko yung calories. But at the same time, parang naging strict ako sa sarili ko na talagang na-avoid ko and talagang damang-dama ko yung moment na yun. Tapos ngayon, medyo nagpakampante na naman ako kasi hala, ilang linggo naman na akong naging consistent. Maybe time na para mag-slack off a bit. And yung slack off na yon naging continuous na to the point na ngayon, nagsasalita ako ng mga ganito sa sarili ko pero I don't wanna be a negative talker. Like, you know, I wanna bash myself, but at the same time, ayoko namang i-lower pa yung already low self-esteem na meron ako ngayon. So, as I always say, I wanna balance everything out. Like, totally everything in general. Like, balance them out. So, ayun. Good luck. And today is very eventful. And aminado ako na medyo kinakabahan na nga ako kasi of course, may pasok bukas and I feel like I'm gonna be swollen a lot, pero that's the consequence. But ayoko na magdrama-drama about it. So, talagang kailangan nating bumawi instead of being a hypocrite saying, sana di ko na lang ginawa, pero ginawa mo na. So, there's no point in being you know, like, being depressed. Kaya, good luck and may you always remember this day. Tandaan mo, you were meant to loosen that 60 kilograms but it seems like madodoble pa yun ngayon. Pero wag naman.